everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with the winner of my birthday challenge. My daughter did the previous video where she showed the little cards and things that she had gotten from the challenge. She was super excited. She'd never really made a video before, but she really wanted to be the one to make the video for that. So I'm sorry if it was a little kind of erratic and a little hard to watch, but she really wanted to make the video. So anyway, going on to the winner. So the winner is going to win a $25 either PayPal or a online, like, emailed gift certificate to a store of your choice. Because I don't know, like, for me, I would prefer to get a gift card to a store of my choice, because that way I'm locked into use it for something fun, versus if it goes in my PayPal, then, you know, it might go to something else. But I'll leave that up to you. So if you are the winner, just go ahead and email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Thanks to everyone who participated. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull a name out. And the winner is Maricela M. So Maricela, if you could email me at scoop71@yahoo.com by Father's Day. So that's my deadline. So if I don't hear from you by Father's Day, then I will pull another winner. So thank you so much for playing along. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.